Bitcoin just leaped to about 90,400 while fear and greed sits at 22. But Abu Dhabi's Bitcoin MENA is wrapping signals that charts alone could not show. Hey guys, I'm Kai and welcome to the Mindful Crypto Life. Let's slow down for a moment and look at today's dip, the Fed's December tone, and this huge Web3 week in the UAE, and what it means in the long game. No rush, just grounded clarity. So let's unpack it together. Here's the market breadth today. The total cap is sitting at $3.2 trillion. Bitcoin is about 90,400. Ethereum at 3,120. Small red cooling across majors. The stables printed about $1.5 billion. So quiet inflows are still happening. Sentiment stays at extreme fear 22, which usually signals exhaustion and not panic. We'll walk through what's moving in the market from MicroStrategy's latest buys to Ethereum whale positioning, and then map out the full Abu Dhabi's crypto week that's unfolding right now. And because tomorrow is FOMC day, we'll also touch on how December's data has shaped up expectations. And if you're new here, subscribe for calm and grounded crypto clarity. Looking at the crypto bubbles, everything leans on red today. A broad cool down, but nothing chaotic. On Phemex, Bitcoin holds about 90,400, still inside that 89.5k to 92k range, where dips gets picked up softly. Ethereum sits near 3,120, only slightly red, and still resting comfortably at the 3.05k support, which hasn't broken in days. Solana is down about 1.5% to 132, staying inside that 125 to 140 channel. It's just a range behavior. BNB around 887, XRP holding above $2, both roughly down 1 to 1.5%. Doge, Link, and Tron all trimming 1 to 2%. USDT and USDC remains flat, but ongoing minting activities is showing slow and steady inflows. For anyone who's been watching crypto on the side, this kind of bleed is not a warning sign. It's usually a pause where you DCA mindfully with attention on utility and not emotion. So sentiment first. Fear and greed sits at 22, up slightly from yesterday's 20. The whole month has lived between 20 and 23, which often means sellers are tired and buyers are selective. Historically, these low readings act like a quiet accumulation window. If Bitcoin reclaims 93k while fear is staying low, moves tend to accelerate. On the news side, MicroStrategy has bought 10,624 Bitcoins, lifting their total holdings to 660k. They are staying consistent at every dip. We also saw Trump tariff whale enter a $196 million position in Ethereum long and is already up several millions already. That's not retail energy, that's institutional confidence. A Bernstein report now projects 150k Bitcoin in 2026 and 200k in 2027. This is based in a long-term horizon inflows rather than hype cycles. Policy-wise, the Senate continues work on the crypto market structure bill, which is slow but a meaningful process. And then the Fed. Futures show 88 to 90% probability of 25 bips rate cut tomorrow, lowering the target to 3.5 to 3.75%. And that's a soft tailwind for risk assets. The build-up has been forming all month. Powell on December 1 has signaled that the balance sheet tightening is slowing, which is quietly dovish. ADP jobs on December 3 came in softer than expected, which cools inflation pressure without alarming markets. PCE on December 5 held steady around 2.8% year-over-year, giving the Fed space to cut. Together, all of this creates a gentle supportive backdrop. Nothing explosive, but just softer soil for our stocks to take root. And now, the horizon. Abu Dhabi is becoming a gentle powerhouse for Web3 right now. A full lineup of major events are happening all at the same time, attracting thousands of builders, innovators, believers, and not hype chasers. Bitcoin MENA wraps up at ADNEC today, gathering miners, developers, and policymakers around energy, infrastructure, and regional sovereignty. The Bridge Summit, also at ADNEC, runs from December 8 to December 10. It blends media, tech, and global narratives to build real ecosystem foundations. Abu Dhabi Finance Week runs from December 8 to December 11. It anchors the entire week. It's a serious moment. Global finance leaders are discussing how digital assets can fit into long-term diversification. Longitude by Cointelegraph is co-hosted this year by Phemex. It will be taking place on December 11 at Rosewood Hotel, Abu Dhabi. It's an invite-only event with focused conversation between founders and innovators. Personally, I'm looking forward to the panel conversations between Phemex, Ledger, and Hakin. From December 10 to 11, the Global Blockchain Show brings over 200 speakers to Space 42 Arena with strong DeFi and AI Web3 crossover themes. And closing the week is Solana Breakpoint at the Etihad Arena, which runs from December 11 to December 13. This is Solana's biggest event yet, with thousands attending right after F1. Expect major ecosystems updates, scaling conversations, and project announcements. And for our token watch, Linea unlocks about 6.7% today, and Aptos sits around 0.33% soon. Small ripples, but worth noting. And for us, mindful traders, speculators, and investors out there, all of these events feel like a market's exhale. Not hype, just steady signals that innovation keeps moving, and that patience pays more than speed. Just like a farmer returning weekly to the market, trading consistency for long-term growth. To quickly wrap up, Bitcoin is down about 1% today, Solana down about 1.5%, Fear at 22, waiting for the Fed's decision, but behind the noise, MicroStrategy is consistently buying, institutions are positioning, analysts are raising long-term target, and Abu Dhabi is turning into a quiet center of gravity for crypto. This is a reminder that your stack doesn't grow from pressure, it grows from presence. So tell me, how does Abu Dhabi's energy feels to you? Let me know down in the comment section below. I will be replying to everyone. If this video helped bring calm to chaos, make sure to like and subscribe. Again, this is Kai from the Mindful Crypto Life, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.